Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Working with Preston. Today we are working today. In the past couple of videos we haven't been working, but it is about 0, -1 degrees, something like that, outside. And yeah, I'm all bundled up. Got gloves, jacket, sweatshirt, shirt, hat. We're all good. I'm nice and warm, toasty. Got some nice socks on. But first things first, happy Valentine's Day if you're watching this on Sunday. Today's Saturday. But if you're watching this on Saturday, just go watch it on Sunday, yeah. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day. But yeah, I'm going to give you the weather forecast scoop from Preston outside. Here's Preston. Thanks, Preston. Yeah, they said they didn't have the budget to get me a jacket or even a sweatshirt or something, or even a winter hat or gloves. So I'm here in short sleeves. Ooh, it's cold out here, man. But yeah, it's about 0, -1 degrees, shivering. Yeah. 0, -1, 2 degrees. So yeah. Back to Preston. Thanks, Preston. Anyways, yeah, that was Preston. So, but what the video is about today is, so as I said, tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I'm building this thing for my mom. Basically, it's a big heart, and you may see, Preston, that's flat at the bottom. So I have this, and you may think, no, you put it like that, it looks stupid, like that. But what this actually is, slots right on here like that. Yeah, shelf, and you hang it on the wall. Put some J hooks on the bottom here, hang jewelry, bracelets, and stuff. But today's video, you're probably like, Preston, what's that have to do with the video? Well, today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sand down a piece of wood. So let's get this camera angled. Alright, so as you can see, camera's angled now. So here, let me rotate this around a little bit here. So, see, this edge is not smooth at all. It's just straight. But as you can see, these edges, that is very smooth and curved. That's what we want in the movie. We're going to do this. You can buy this sandpaper. This is a 120 grit. I'm going to be doing more softer and smaller grit sandpaper after, but I probably won't record that. It'll take too long. But, yeah, 120 grit. And what you do, you can buy this at any hardware store. Should have it. What you do is you hold it like this. Put it on here. Start sand away. So we're going to get a good old time lapse in here. So, yeah, let's do it. Foolishness, Preston. Quit playing on the job and get some work done. Alrighty, guys, so it's probably about 2 minutes for you guys. That was 15 minutes for me, just sanding all this stuff down real nice. Well, I still don't have coronavirus. But, yeah, see, got all these edges all sanded down. And, yeah, so this is just going to go on here. And sometime later, I'm probably going to go and warm up a little bit. But before I do that, I got a little bit more cutting to do. on this little piece because it's gonna fit right in here. You might say, why does it need any cutting? It just needs just the teeniest bit of cutting. I think mail's here. Hold on. Yeah, it's just a mail truck. But anyways, we do a little quick trim on here real quick. Set this right on my toolbox. You can't see it, but you can right there. Let's do a teeny bit. Shoot, I need this now. Here. Mark what I need to trim here because you can cut a lot off, but you can't take any of it back. Come on, pencil. I can't pick it up with these gloves. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. Yes, as you can see there, yes, I am left-handed. For those of you who did not know that. There, here, let me see what we do on this side here. And then we gotta do the same thing right here. And bold up these lines a little bit. Okay, so as you can see what I have to do, if you see that little line, I'm going to cut right there. Same thing on this side. Right, how will that look though? Alrighty, I'm going to move this. I don't want to only cut this. Not good. But I'm going to grab this thing. And here, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to go like this. I'm going to snap. And these are going to be cut. Ready? 3, 2, 1, cut. Look at that. That actually worked very good. Very, very good. Don't forget, eat your vegetables, kids. We've been out here for a while, but now I'm going to grab the heart, make sure she fits okay, or else it's going to be messed up. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, remove this, do a little bit of sanding on those cut edges. And I'm not going to put it together right now. A little later. Shut that air compressor off. Air compressor's off. Alrighty, that is nice. Look at that. Even those nail holes are nice. Look at 1, 2, 3. Glue on the back is real nice. She's nice and that's nice and straight, boys. Holy crap. That looks good. Looking good in the neighborhood. Alrighty, let me do a couple of touch-ups with glue on the back of this thing. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching this video. Very long video. Probably not for you guys, it won't be too long. But, this whole thing, I think it's done. We got the bottom part on. This part is now sturdy, as you can see. Doesn't wiggle. What I did, threw a couple nails in from the sides. Not in the top, but you can't really see. But from these side angles. And it helped it stay sturdy. And then I smoothed out. I'm still smoothing out that some of this glue on the back with like little pieces of paper like this off like a paper bag. So yeah, I'm just still smoothing that out because I want it to be nice and flush when this thing's on the wall. Nice and flush with the wall. Yep. Just smooth it out right across there. But anyways, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you see this on Sunday, happy Valentine's Day. If you see this on Saturday, watch it again on Sunday. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.